The cryptocurrency world is abuzz with excitement as the highly anticipated Worldcoin project makes its debut on the global stage. Launched by none other than Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, the project aims to revolutionize the way we interact with artificial intelligence chatbots and address the growing problem of distinguishing between real humans and AI. Worldcoin's key feature is its World ID digital passport, which utilizes cutting-edge iris scanning biometric technology. This unique system verifies users' identities by scanning their eyes, creating an iris code that acts as an unalterable identifier. With more than 2 million users already signed up during beta testing, Worldcoin is gearing up to roll out scanning operations in numerous cities across 20 countries worldwide. By offering a convenient way to verify the authenticity of online content, whether it be text, videos, or other media, Worldcoin aims to combat the rise of generative AI software masquerading as real human communication. This bold approach, however, has sparked intense debate among investors and regulators. Critics are raising concerns about potential security and privacy risks associated with creating a catalog of users' eye scans. Built by Tools for Humanity, Worldcoin leverages the same secure and tamper-proof blockchain technology used by major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The project comprises the World ID digital passport, the World App crypto wallet, and the WLD cryptocurrency token. One of the main points of contention is Worldcoin's lack of clarity regarding token distribution. Skeptics are eager for the company to provide a clear explanation of how the WLD tokens will be distributed. Adding to the controversy, Worldcoin is currently unavailable in the United States, leaving many curious as to why it's being excluded from such a significant market. As the world watches, Worldcoin's ambitious vision to use iris scans as a means of digital identification is both awe-inspiring and polarizing. One thing is certain, this cryptocurrency project is one to watch closely as it continues to reshape the landscape of AI and digital identity verification.